The SOA-C02 AWS Certified SysOps Administrator Associate exam validates skills and knowledge essential for monitoring and maintaining AWS workloads, implementing security controls and networking concepts, performing business continuity procedures, and optimizing costs and performance. SOA-C02 exam is one for associate certification. There are 65 multiple-choice or multiple-response questions in the real SOA-C02 exam, and you have 130 minutes to answer all the questions. The available languages are English, Japanese, Korean, and simplified Chinese. SOA-C02 exam topics cover the following details: monitoring, logging, and remediation, reliability and business continuity, deployment, provisioning, and automation, security and compliance, networking and content delivery, cost and performance optimization. SOA-C02 exam sample questions are available below. A company is using Amazon Elastic File System, Amazon EFS, to share a file system among several Amazon EC2 instances. As usage increases, users report that file retrieval from the EFS file system is slower than normal. Which action should a SysOps administrator take to improve the performance of the file system? A. Configure the file system for provisioned throughput. B. Enable encryption in transit on the file system. C. Identify any unused files in the file system, and remove the unused files. D. Resize the Amazon Elastic Block Store, Amazon EBS, volume of each of the EC2 instances. A company hosts its website in the East 1 region. The company is preparing to deploy its website into the EU Central 1 region. Website visitors who are located in Europe should access the website that is hosted in EU Central 1. All other visitors access the website that is hosted in East 1. The company uses Amazon Route 53 to manage the website's DNS records. Which routing policy should a SysOps administrator apply to the Route 53 records set to meet these requirements? A. Geolocation routing policy. B. Geoproximity routing policy. C. Latency routing policy. D. Multi-value answer routing policy. An application accesses data through a file system interface. The application runs on Amazon EC2 instances in multiple availability zones, all of which must share the same data. While the amount of data is currently small, the company anticipates that it will grow to tens of terabytes over the lifetime of the application. What is the most scalable storage solution to fulfill this requirement? A. Connect the large Amazon EBS volume to multiple instances and schedule snapshots. B. Deploy Amazon EFS in the VPC and create mount targets in multiple subnets. C. Launch an EC2 instance and share data using SMB, CIFS or NFS. D. Deploy an AWS storage gateway cached volume on Amazon EC2. A company is using Amazon Elastic File System, Amazon EFS, to share a file system among several Amazon EC2 instances. As usage increases, users report that file retrieval from the EFS file system is slower than normal. Which action should a SysOps administrator take to improve the performance of the file system? A. Configure the file system for provisioned throughput. B. Enable encryption in transit on the file system. C. Identify any unused files in the file system, and remove the unused files. D. Resize the Amazon Elastic Block Store, Amazon EBS, volume of each of the EC2 instances. A company is storing media content in an Amazon S3 bucket and uses Amazon CloudFront to distribute the content to its users. Due to licensing terms, the company is not authorized to distribute the content in some countries. A SysOps administrator must restrict access to certain countries. What is the most operationally efficient solution that meets these requirements? A. Configure the S3 bucket policy to deny the GET object operation based on the S3 location constraint condition. B. Create a secondary origin access identity, OAI. Configure the S3 bucket policy to prevent access from unauthorized countries. C. Enable the geo-restriction feature in the CloudFront distribution to prevent access from unauthorized countries. D. Update the application to generate signed CloudFront URLs only for IP addresses in authorized countries.